Okay, for our project we're going to need a nice bright pink for the top, a beige for the bottom, and a black for the accent pieces. And I am using a size 9 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. We're going to start with our pink first. We're going to start with a basic slip knot. Pull that piece through and insert your hook. We're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to zoom this in for you a little bit so you can see nice and detailed what I'm doing. We're going to insert our hook into that first chain right here to make a circle. So just go through there, yarn over, pull through there, and through that last chain, and that's a slip stitch. And then we're going to chain 2. And we're going to do yarn over, and we're going to do 12 double crochets right into the center here. Just go ahead and hold your tail down and crochet right over it. Your first, these 2 chains here are counted as your first double crochet, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I usually go over my tail about 8 times, so there's 8. And I usually just drop it because that's tucked in good enough for me. 9, 10, 11, and when it starts getting tight like that, just scoots on over. It ain't gonna hurt anything. And 12. We are going to go into the top of our chain where it attaches right here. There's our chain 2 right here, and we're going to go into the top right here where it attaches. And go ahead and just do a slip stitch through there and chain 2. Now remember, this counts as our first double crochet. We're going to do 2 double crochets in each stitch all the way around. We are going to go back into that same stitch, and we're going to do that on every round. So go ahead and do 2 double crochets all the way around, and we'll continue. Okay, I've completed that round and gone ahead and joined it, chained up my 2, and did the first double crochet in that next stitch. Now this counts as our first 2 double crochets, which would be an increase, and now we're going to do a single double crochet, and we're going to do an increase and a single. You can see it really starting to take shape now, which is nice. It's exactly what we want it to do. And this hat is going to be for my daughter. It's going to be her birthday, and she is going to absolutely love this hat. She has the doll, and this will be perfect. Okay, we're done with that round. We'll close it off here. I have a right into the top. Only pick up those first two stitches there. Okay, in the fourth round we're just going to repeat what we did here. 2 double crochets in the first stitch and then a single double crochet, and just continue that all the way around, and we'll pick up from there. Alright, we are going on into our 5th round. This is really coming together really quick, which is always nice. So now we are going to do, with our increase here, we're going to do 5 double crochets, 1 in each stitch. That's 1, 2, a little closer here so you can see. 3, 4, 5, and right here we're going to put an increase. And then we're going to do 5 more, 1 double crochet in each stitch, and then an increase, and then 5 and an increase. So go ahead and do that, and then we will continue on with the 6th round. Okay, that is our 5th round completed, and this is enough increasing rounds for me. This will fit the top of my daughter's head. A good way to know if it's going to fit your head or for the person you're making is you set this on the top of your head, and if this was your head here, let me do a different color yarn so you can see. If this was your head here, and you put your hat on it like this, and when you put your hands at the side, and if your hands touch the sides of the top of your crown of the beanie, then you know it is going to be wide enough for the top of your head. So now I'm going to do 1 double crochet in each stitch, and we are going to do that. This is our 5th round, so we are going to do that for a couple of rounds till our 10th round, and then I will show you the next step in the process. So keep doing our increase at the beginning, and then do 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way around until our 10th round, and we'll continue there. Okay, so we have completed our 9th row, and now I will show you how to add in the next color that we are going to need. So go ahead and grab your beigey taupe yarn, and you're going to do another slip knot here, and put it on your hook, and go ahead and go through that hook here. And actually what we're going to do, instead of closing that last round, before you close that, go into that stitch right there. I'm going to come a little closer. Before you close it, go into that stitch right there. So when you close it here, you can drop the pink and pick up the beige from behind, and then bring it through all 3 on the hook, and then just pull that down. Give the tail a little bit of a tug, and it will cinch right down. Right here, when you chain up, I like to pull that tail back up just to give it a little bit more added stability. So we're going to chain up 2, so you chain up 1, and then I drop that tail. And then I'll just weave that in later, 2, and you can't even tell it's there. So now we're going to go ahead with the beige, and we're going to go ahead and complete up to 13 rounds. So 4 more rounds with the beige, just 1 double crochet in each stitch, taking care to do that double crochet in that first stitch. Remember, right here you can go ahead and crochet right over your tails, both of them. Just give your pink one a little snip here. Pick up that tail. Go right back into that same stitch. This got a little loose here. See that stitch? So you just want to cinch that down a little bit, just like that. Go right into that same stitch just as we've done the whole time. And then do 1 double crochet in each stitch around, just holding those tails down just like this, pretend like they're not even there, and crochet right over them. So go ahead and do 1 double crochet and stitch in each stitch all the way around till your 13th row, and I will show you how to close off.